keep saying it. I really thought that it was going to be easy. It is not. It is not. Hey friend, welcome to Soft Grace by Shamika. I am Shamika, your best friend, your cousin, your big sister, your little sister, all the things. Today's video will simply talk about how difficult I did not know YouTube would be. Shout out to the YouTubers. You all make YouTubing look so easy. I thought that I was natural with speaking. I thought that I was natural and that I could just sit here, start talking, and everything would come to my mind and I would be able to just spit out the words as easy as this cup of ice that I am chomping on. I really thought that it would be that easy. It is not, friend. It is not. I have been sitting here. I am in beautiful Dallas for work, and I have been sitting here for maybe an hour and a half trying to talk to you. By the way, right now, you is just a camera. I'm the only one in this wonderful hotel room, and I'm by myself sitting here talking to you, trying to talk to you. I'm stumbling over my words. I'm running out of things to say. There's not one subject so far that I have started talking about that I've been able to talk about for more than 3 minutes. YouTube is not as easy as the girlies make it seem. My goodness, I thought I was a natural. I thought that I could just get on here and talk and talk and talk some more, but it has not been very easy at all. YouTube is not as easy as I thought that it would be, and this is only video 1. So what do you do, Shamika? What do you do? Do you give up or do you keep going? Do you shut your channel down that hasn't even been up for 2 weeks? Or do you stick with it, practice, and get better? Because there's somebody that is looking for you. There is somebody that needs the motivation that you can offer. There's somebody that needs the hope that you are here to offer. So what do? You just keep going, or do you stop? Do you go backwards? Do you shut down the page? Do you take down the first video, the trailer that you did? Do you undo everything that you've done just because it got hard, or just because it's harder than what you thought? Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, honestly, it would feel good to just quit right now. Sometimes plowing through hurdles and obstacles is a lot more daunting than to just quit. Because if I quit right now, I just have to explain to, I think, 174 subscribers that I have right now that I just decided not to do it. That sounds easy. That doesn't sound very difficult. Also, there are people online. So what's the worst that can happen? What can they do? They can't drag, I mean, I guess they could drag me, but it's not gonna mean a whole lot. So I could easily quit right now, or I could keep going, which will take more effort, more energy, more research. Oh my gosh, more talking, more me getting out of my comfort zone. My comfort zone is in the back, never in the front. I've never been comfortable being in the front, ever. With being at church, at work, at school. Let me set the stage for you. I come from a family of 6 siblings. My mother has 6 children. So out of the 6, I am number 5. There's only 1 more that is under me. So I've been used to my entire life almost being at the back of the line. there are 4 other people in front of me and only 1 behind me. So I'm at the back of the line. I've always been at the back. And so I've learned to live my life in a very supportive role. I've never sought to be out front. If you've never thought to be out front, homegirl, then why did you think that being on camera, talking to strangers would be something that's comfortable to do? It's not. It goes against everything that I feel naturally. Naturally, I want to crawl underneath this bed and hide until you go away. That's what I feel naturally. However, I've started the channel, so I must see it through for now. As of right now, I make no promises on what's going to happen tomorrow or the day after. I promise to finish this video, try to get the video edited and posted. But YouTube is not for the weak. This literally, I am at day 14 of being a YouTuber, I think, and I'm just now filming and planning to post my first video. I sit down in this chair, I get my makeup done, I put on a shirt, a nice little outfit situation. I make sure that my background is aesthetically pleasing in this beautiful hotel in beautiful Dallas, and the sun is shining, and I make sure that my lighting is okay and all the things. And then I sit here and I just think that those things, getting to this place, was the hard part. No, it's once you sit down in the seat and start filming, that's the hard part. You got to keep talking. This isn't a two-way street. This isn't a conversation. This is not a conversation. I mean, I'm talking to you, but you're not going to talk back to me. I don't get to sit here and wait for you to speak and then I respond. That doesn't happen on YouTube. There's no, okay, thank you for listening. Okay, I'm asking you a question. Now you get to answer. No, I have to keep talking. I have to keep going. You have to keep going. That is such a life lesson for me. First of all, never underestimate a situation. Someone told us when we were children, don't judge the book by its cover, which...
Does that really even make sense? Don't judge the book by its cover. Yeah.
I mean, that's marketing 101. You judge a book by its cover. It's the reason that people get dressed up well for a job interview. It's the reason people go out and they get their hair done and they, I don't know, put on a good outfit and some nice earrings and some nice shoes, because people judge the book by its cover. Anyway, rant over. So don't judge the book by its cover because you see something that looks easy that doesn't make it easy. That's lesson number 1. Lesson number 2, there's no such thing as too much research. There is a such thing as analysis paralysis, and I don't think that you should research so much that you don't start. And I think that's what I was doing. My husband, he fussed at me and he said, just get started, Shamika.
How many YouTube videos are you going to watch?
Just get started. And for me, I'm like, I just need to watch 1 more. I need to watch 2 more. Okay, I watched this age group. Let me watch this age group. I watched this niche. Let me watch another niche and see what they have to say about the subject. No, just get started. But research enough. And then research some more, but still get started. And after you get started, because after I film this video, I'm going to research some more to see how the heck are you guys doing it. This is not easy. And number 3, it's okay not to know. I'm new here. So I am a person that is a perfectionist And I believe in doing all things excellent. My mantra in life is I aim for perfection and settle for excellence. That's who I am. You're not going to start and be an expert at day one. It usually doesn't happen. Usually, if you start something, you're a beginner. You're not in the intermediate category, and you're certainly not in the expert category. You're a beginner. You're just getting started, Shamika. So be okay with being a beginner. It's okay not to know. It's okay not to know how to keep talking about one subject for 20 to 30 minutes. It's okay not to know how to set up the lighting so that it's perfect or aesthetically pleasing. It's okay not to know how to edit perfectly yet. It's okay not to know what camera you should have. You should start on your iPhone or start on a Sony camera or Canon. It's okay not to know those things. That goes back to the prior point that we should research to get the answers, but don't beat yourself up. Give yourself soft grace and be okay with not knowing every single thing. We all have to start somewhere. And me, being a perfectionist, the perfectionist that I am, I want to start off at the expert level. It just doesn't happen, usually. Now, some people are geniuses and they can pick up something really, really fast. Okay, great. So that's not your case right now. You didn't sit here and then just naturally be able to talk for 15 to 20 minutes about one subject. It didn't happen, and that's okay. That's okay. Keep going. Keep going anyway. Tomorrow will be a little bit easier. The day after that, it'll be a little bit easier. This I am looking at as a muscle that I am exercising. When you exercise a muscle, it gets stronger and stronger, and you get better and better. So that is the soft grace that I'm giving myself today, because I sat here and I'm going to keep saying it. I really thought that it was going to be easy. It is not. It is not. But I am going to be right back here next week with another video. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. So yes, there's the lesson for this video. Just because it is not easy, that does not mean that we give up. What we don't do is quit. We are not quitters here. We don't give up and we don't quit. Keep going. I'm talking to you, but I'm talking to me. Keep going. See you in the next video. Thank you for coming. Bye.